Role of SIEM in SOC environments. Now, if monitoring and response are so important, the next logical question is how do you manage all that information? Enter the SIEM, Security Information and Event Management System. Think of the SIEM like the brain of the SOC. It collects data from everywhere firewalls, routers, servers, endpoints, and brings it all into one central place. But it doesn't just collect data, it analyzes it. It correlates events across systems. It generates alerts which suspicious patterns are detected. And it even provides dashboard to visualize trends and track threats. Why is this important? Because without a SIEM, analyst would be stuck logging into dozens of separate systems looking for clues. The SIEM puts all the puzzle pieces together. It's especially critical for organizations that need to meet compliance standards, whether it's PCI-DSS for payment data, HIPAA for healthcare, or GDPR for privacy. SIEMs help demonstrate that proper monitoring and control is in place. In short, the SIEM turns mountains of raw data into actionable intelligence, and that intelligence helps keep the organization secure.